Good day everyone. Today I will be teaching you on how are we going to create a simple web page using code editor in our mobile device. The first thing that we're going to do is of course to download and install code editor using our App Store or Play Store. Since I am offline and I already downloaded code editor, I'll just simply open code editor. Alright, so this is the environment of code editor. Alright, so this is the environment of code editor wherein we can simply create or type our code here. But of course, the second thing that we're going to do before writing a code is to specify the location of our HTML file or for our web page. Now, how are we going to do that? Just simply tap the hamburger icon in the upper left corner. Next, we'll tap insert, internal storage, and then we go to we'll just create a folder outside. Just click this plus icon, create the folder, and then we'll write here web page, web page. Tap OK. All right, so where is it? Web page, and here we'll try to open this. After we open our web page folder, just click the or tap the plus icon again, and now we will tap create file. For the file name, okay, we will write here index.html or index.htm. It's up to your preferences. Since we are writing a web page, we will use HTML as our extension. Tap OK, and then we will open our index.html. So we have here our index.html. The next thing or the third step that we're going to do is to create the syntax or the structure of HTML. Good thing that we are using code editor because we will just simply write HTML5 here, and then it will automatically write the syntax or the proper structure of HTML. So we'll just use HTML5. Just tap HTML5 and that will appear. Now we will specify the title. Example, we have here sample web page. Of course, the title could be changed. It's up to your preferences. And then we will edit meta. And for the body, like that. Okay, so now for our body, let's try to have a paragraph tag. Okay, a paragraph tag, for example, this is a forest. And then we will also insert a header tag, okay, which is h1. Okay, so now let's try to insert a header which is forest, like that. And of course we will insert img tag, img. Okay, for the img there are two attributes that is given here. We have src, or the source of our file or the image, or where is the location of the image, and the alternative text which will appear in case there is, or in case the picture is not available. So we'll have here sample forest. Ayan, sample forest na picture. Okay, let's try to save this by simply tapping this folder icon and tap save. Okay. Now, as what you have observed, we haven't specified yet the SRC code. Okay, let's try to execute this. Execute. Alright. So as what you can see, the sample forest alternative text appeared instead of the picture because we haven't specified yet the location of the picture. So the next thing that we're going to do is to go to our file manager, and we will copy a picture from this file, and then we will paste it to somewhere, okay, wherein to the web page folder wherein our index.html is located. So I have here a picture which is forest1.jpg. So that is the name and the extension of the file that I'm going to insert. Okay, this picture. Let's try to open. Okay, this one. So I want to insert that picture. So I'll just simply write forest1.jpg to the src attribute. So here in the src, I'll just simply write forest1.jpg. Forest1.jpg. Alright, save it and then execute. Okay, the picture appeared now in our file. So if you want to add more attribute like the height, the width, it's up to you. So let's try to insert height or the width equal. I'm sorry, we have here equals width equals and then double quotation. It's quite difficult in programming using our cell phone. So I'll have here width, let's specify, for example, 180 pixels. Double quote, save, and then execute again. So here it is. So the width of the picture is being adjusted. Alright, so that is how are you going to create a simple web page. So now if you're going to go to your file manager, okay, it is better that you will separate the pictures and the HTML file. So what we're going to do is to create a new folder. We'll write here images, and then we will move this picture inside the folder. Okay. Once it's done, we will go back to our code editor and of course update this, because if you're going to execute this one, okay, the alternative text will appear because the HT or the browser cannot find the picture. So we have to specify the location in our src. So we will write here images, because that is the name of the folder, slash the file name together with the file extension. So let's try to save this and then execute. That's it. So alright, so that is how are you going to insert a picture. Okay, of course you can also search pictures online, and then you will just simply copy paste the image link and then paste it in the src. Alright, so I hope that you learned something in this video. God bless and keep safe always.